you can see the iconic St. Augustine Lighthouse in the background. It's right there in the middle of the picture. Oh, there's Sandpiper. He's getting on there.
He saw you stirring it up and he thought you had something.
Today we packed up, we came to Northeast Florida. Someplace we love coming, we haven't been here in years. This is someplace we've never been though, in this particular area. We popped up to St. Augustine to see the lights for the holidays. But we also decided to stop at Anastasia State Park. So today the family does Anastasia State Park. There's the lighthouse right there, girls, right behind you, off in the distance.
Yeah.
The iconic St. Augustine Lighthouse.
I thought of Baby Yoda.
Lots of dunes on Anastasia State Park.
Oh, I thought that was a dad. You thought you was walking with Daddy there for a second, didn't you?
That may be the most pelicans I've ever seen in one trip.
One trip.
There they go. Pelicans for days. Georgia,
What?
wave.
Well, you told me to look at.
It's obviously low tide. Look how wide this beach is.
Look at all the birds living there.
Where they at? Oh, and this little tidal area, this little wading pool.
They always like jump in there. And
Tidal
like,
pool,
run
whatever they
out.
call
Lots of little birds. Sailboat out on the horizon. This is a wide beach.
And it's orange for some reason.
Yeah, it's like all crushed shell and has a little orange tint to it. The sand's kind of strange. Little pier down there. The dunes behind us. This looks like something you'd see up in the Panhandle.
Oh, look at all those little birds.
The sand here's like really stiff, isn't it, George?
Yeah.
Stomp your feet. It's like you don't sink in. Like other places, like other beaches we go to have like really soft sand. You sink into it.
Yeah.
This is stiff sand here on the East Coast. We very rarely come to the East Coast of the beach, don't we, George?
Like never.
Never. Yeah, that's how rare. Look at the little sandpipers and the seagull. I'll zoom in.
I like the tiny ones. Oh wait, those ones are like ducks. Those two like black ones, those ones are like ducks.
Those are sandpipers. Those aren't ducks. Look at the little one over here.
Wait, I want to go look at those.
All right, we'll go towards them.
Wait, they're like... Oh, you're right, they are sandpipers.
I told you.
What does it look like? I don't want to scare them.
They are sandpipers. They looked like ducks, kind of, the way they were standing.
Yeah, I don't want to scare
The
them.
water's pretty. I think the sign when we were coming in said it was like 68 degrees or something, though.
Yeah.
Here he comes. He's coming back. Look how fast he's going. Here, sprinkle seashells down, Georgia. Oh, he's feisty.
This is kind of mean. I feel bad.
Here, Georgia. Throw something right in front of me. Throw something right in front of me, Georgia.
Someone feeds them. They're so cute. What is that big one? The long leg.
Yeah, somebody totally feeds these birds. They are not scared of us at all.
I feel bad. I feel like I've tricked them.
We've never seen birds this close though, George, you know it? This beach is known, this state park is known for birding.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Look how close they are to Nicole and Holland. Never any place else we've been have the ocean birds been this close. They're always really skittish. I mean, they're literally 2 feet away from them. This is pretty neat.
Yeah, when we were standing there, and the one started running up to us, I'm like, what is this thing doing?
This is pretty neat.
He's the only one that looks like that, too. He isn't sure, he doesn't want to. Is the gray one the boy?
I don't know.
Because all the brown ones like seem to follow it.
Yeah, that's a jellyfish washed up.
What kind of jellyfish?
I'm not sure what kind of jellyfish that is.
Watch it, watch it. I'm actually kind of scared of jellyfish.
I don't know. I don't think it is. It's probably fine. It'll wash back out. What do you think, Cole?
This is really nice. If we ever get a camper, we gotta come here and camp.
Yeah, that's right. They have camping at this place. What's still following us? We got a little buddy. Are you our new pet? We'll take you home, put you in with the chickens.
I'm getting my hand.
This ornery little joker, he is the friendliest little sandpiper. Oh. The girls have discovered an armadillo in the road. Well, there he goes. The wildlife here is just great. Oh, there he goes. Here's the little beach shop. You can get something to eat here. It's a little snack shack. You can do your water sport rentals. And there's a gift shop inside.
That's still really cool.
And then we also have our whole water sports building on the road. So we have Augustine sailboats, and sailboats.
What do you have there, Alan? Find Georgia. What'd you find?
You have a seashell on your hand.
Seashell sucker. What'd you find?
Patch.
Yeah, this is in
Hang on, it's not
so all
focusing.
summer we don't have them. And then once it gets really cold,
Nice. What do you do with your patches?
Put on your jacket.
On your jacket?
what we do is we sell them everywhere over there.
You get whales from that? Yeah, you do.
Yeah, we get right.
Anastasia State Park. 1,600 acre state park on the north end of Anastasia Island. This park is massive. Dunes, marshes, beach. I can't even see the end of the beach. If you look down here, I'm not even sure where the end of it is, and we've walked a while. how much per vehicle, Cole?
$8, I believe, and $2 for bicycle or pedestrians.
We had a state park pass. We weren't sure. We had to look it up. They're open 8 a.m. to sunset every day, 365 days a year, even holidays, according to their website. All right, wave to everybody. What do you say, girls?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.